Hey guys, good morning. It's Friday, 1st of February. We're ending an important trading week, and more importantly, we're starting the second month of the year, and that is very important. So today is the day that we end the week, and we also start a new month. Now, one of the main things that you guys need to know with PipsMatter is that we like to take it one trade at a time, one day at a time. So GBP USD, as you can see here in my trading community, we've just closed out GBP with 45 pips in profit. The target was 100 and something. It seems like it will be reached, but I wanted to get clean and focus on the NFP, which is happening today in a couple of hours, and that's going to be pretty cool. GBP USD is heading a little lower now, but I'm done with that trade, so I'll focus on something else. We have a couple of contractions here which are happening in the markets. We did take AUD JPY, it's winning 12.5 pips, and let's go straight into the charts right now and check that out. So here's the setup with here's the trade idea with GBP USD. Some of the guys are still in this trade, and good on them for being still in, because there are very high chances that the take profit one, which is this green level here, will be reached. So I'm going to make sure I say that in the community. There are very high chances. Okay, that's it. Okay, just a moment. I just need to reply to my broker quickly. Okay, let's do this. So GBP USD is moving lower very nicely, and if we manage to break out of this trading range right here, of this double low bottom, then price action should continue to move down and reach our take profit, which is 130.150. So 130.150 is how many pips away from current price action? It's about 50 pips away, and that's really good. 50 pips is a decent move. It's breaking out now. Let's see if it manages. It's actually testing the level, and let's see if it manages to break out. We're going to move on to Euro USD and go over a bit of education and show you the power of the 30% level here. There's the 23.6 from this major move from the top to the bottom. In the sessions, I have been saying that Euro USD should make a move towards this level, and when it does, we should start looking into the idea of selling Euro USD. The dollar on DXY, which is the US dollar index, is creating a three lower highs. 1, 2, 3. We'll see if that works out, because I think that the bottom lower lows will govern price action. Low, lower low, lowest low. So I think we could move a little bit down, and then a breakout could occur on the US dollar index, which means that the dollar should be strong. Let's go into the contractions that I found. AUD USD, check this out. This is all indicating a strong dollar. We have AUD USD, which is creating a bearish contraction here with a possible move to the upside. What could happen is that we could test the 30% before going lower. There's the 30% right there, 23.6 and 30. So I think that this level could be reached, and the price action could make a breakout as number 1, or number 2, it can make a higher high here and then go down. We'll see if that's going to work out. For now, I'm not touching this. The AUD seems to be strong because of the Chinese and US trade talks, which seem to be positive. Now, USD CAD, another contraction. Check this out. I'm looking at a breakout of this contraction. I really think that there is going to be a breakout on USD CAD, and this is a trade that I'm willing to take. You guys know how we look at the take profit. Top to bottom, and we're going to target the 61 or the 50 today. And that's a decent move. Let's see how much this is from current price action. So the first one is 46 pips, and the second one is about 65, close to 70 pips. which is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful trade. We want to get in, get out, make money, end the week with profits, continue following the basic idea of consistent compounded percentage gain. That's all we care about at PipsMatter, and we do whatever it takes to make sure that happens. Moving on to the next one, NZD-USD. NZD-USD, another contraction here. We'll see how this works out. It's preparing for a top move. Let's see how this is going to work out. Seems like a good contraction. Again, it's in a phase of waiting. Moving on to Euro AUD, and then we're going to wrap up with the last trade in our session. There's a contraction on Euro USD, which seems to have broken out. The take profit is a decent one as well. Not too close, but not too far. Just enough to make a decent return and end the week in profits. Finally, we're going down to the AUD JPY. This is the trade alert I released in the morning. We said buy. We're taking this long. I've got 12.9 pips right now on it, and I'm going to start getting out. I'm going to check it and see if we're going to get out of the 30%, which is coming up pretty close. So I'll probably get out and then kind of wait and see what happens. I'll probably get out soon, just so you know. So AUD JPY, just a quick 15 pips there of profit, which is more than enough. Actually, you know what? 27 pips is my target. That's what I'm targeting, 27 pips. But let's see. I think there is a contraction on the 1 hour. I'm going to show you this. Check this out. So there could be a contraction on the 1 hour. There could be a contraction. We don't know yet if it is a contraction. So we're approaching the 30% right now. You see? So you know what? I'm going to cut this. I'm going to cut AUD JPY buy. I'm going to get out of that just to clean myself out. I'm going to let everyone know. Guys, 14.6 pips. Let's share the chart and explain what's going on. So yeah, I want to be clean with my trades so I can have margin to capitalize on the contractions. So let's say that. Okay, so yeah, that's it. So that's pretty much it. It's a very quick session. I went over the main things. The day is going good so far. We got, from my side at least, I've got 12.8% gain for the day, and that's good. Taking the losses from the week as well and the profits. Let's see the weekly profits. Current week, I'm at 7.2%. 7.2% for the week, and that's beautiful because we can end with 10 plus if our trades work out. I do have an open trade on GBP USD, which I've taken after the breakout. There's a pending order, and that's winning me 2.8% right now, bringing me closer to the 10% if I close it. Okay, that's pretty much it. I just want to remind you guys something very important about my trading community. It is 56 euros a month to join, and it's very important that you guys understand that the whole point of this community is not to provide trade ideas, but to teach you how to trade, how I trade, and to teach you the free classic PipsMatter setups that we use to generate profits. Now, one of the biggest objections traders have when they work with communities or coaches or gurus or mentors is that if you know how to do this, why aren't you doing it yourself? Well, we actually do. That's the thing. Now, I'm the founder of PipsMatter. My name is Dennis, and I've been trading the markets for a long time. I've been coaching people for a long time, and I've made dozens of even business mistakes and trading mistakes, but things started working out a lot when I started making serious changes and refocusing myself on personal development. So PipsMatter is a byproduct of many years of education, failures, successes, working in the markets. So I created a really cool onboarding system, a structure of things, and the community that I'm trying to grow here with a big goal of teaching at least 500 people to trade like me, to be consistent in profits on a weekly basis, and to basically trade the best and leave the rest. To use that kind of idea of opening a couple of trades a week and achieving profits is what we're doing right now. Now, onboarding doesn't take more than about 2-3 hours in tops. So you should learn everything in what, about 5-6 days. You should learn almost everything. And then the coaching is ongoing. There's a lot of things happening with the actual education. My philosophy is pretty simple. We focus on our community, on our clients, and we devote all of the time we have and effort to help them succeed as soon as possible. The one goal that we have is ongoing, and that is consistent compounded percentage gain. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. We're going to be live for the NFP today. Today is the 1st of February 2019. If you want to join, just send me an email on dennis@pipsmatter.com, and I'll be more than happy to get you in the session. Thank you for watching. I'll see you later.